Who is it?
Want to see what it is? Look.
Who is it?
Do you want to come in and look? Guess who is it?
Oh, that kid over there?
Uh-huh.
Who is that?
That's my big boy.
It's you what?
It's my friend.
What's his name?
He named, I don't know his name. Guess what, tomorrow I'm gonna ask what his name is.
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
How do you know him?
I know, I think he's a Fresh Beat Band guy.
He's from the Fresh Beat Band?
No.